and girls, it's Miss Marta from the library. And today I have another fun craft that I'm going to share with you. Ribbit, ribbit, I'm going to show you how you can make this fun frog puppet. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. So stop by at the library and pick up your kit that has all of the necessary supplies that you will need to make this fun puppet. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And I wanted to share a fun fact with all of you. Something that many people don't know about me is that I collect frogs. So as you can see, all of these frogs in front of me are frogs that I have at home. So I collect stuffed animal frogs, and I collect frogs that are made out of glass and plastic. I absolutely love, love, love frogs. So I am super excited to show you this frog puppet. Let's go and make it together. So all of the supplies that you will need to make this craft are inside of your kit that you will pick up at the library. Some extra things that you will have to use from home are tape, glue, and some scissors. So as you can see, there's lots of different things inside of the kit. So what we are going to start with first is we are going to use the two circles, the red circle and the green circle. So we're going to put all of our other things to the side because we don't need those things right now. So the first thing that you will notice is that both of your circles are folded in half in your kit. They're folded in half, the red one and the green one. So the red circle, we're going to just leave the way that it is. And our green circle, you can see that there is the crease in the middle from it being folded. So we are going to use our scissors and we are going to cut that crease in the middle. And now we have two semicircles. We have two pieces. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our red circle, we are going to fold it in half, and we are going to take our two semicircle pieces and we are going to glue them on top of the red circle, just like this. So we're going to glue one piece on one side and we're going to glue the other piece on the other side. So the trick here is when you are going to be putting glue on your green circle, make sure that you put glue only around the edges, not inside, because for that part, you're going to need to stick your hand in. And if it's going to be stuck together, you won't be able to stick in your hand and use it as a puppet. So we are going to just put our glue all around our semicircle, just like that. And now we are going to glue it on top of our red circle, just like that. And we are going to do the same thing with our other semicircle. We are going to put glue all around it, but not inside. And then we are going to tape it right on top of the red circle, just like that. Okay, so our next step is we are going to glue our legs, or not, actually not our legs, I'm sorry. We are going to glue our tongue. As you can see, our frog has a big, big red tongue, so it can catch all those yummy flies. So we have a red strip that looks just like this. And we are actually going to glue it on the bottom of our frog. So as you can see, when you open the mouth, there's the top that has the eyes on it and the bottom that has the feet and the tongue. So we are going to glue it on the bottom. So we're going to put some glue on the edge right there. And then we are going to glue our tongue right in the middle of our semicircle on the bottom, just like this. So as you can see, I glued it on the bottom. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to curl our tongue so that it looks just like this. So what you're going to do is you're just going to curl it towards you, just like that. And now your tongue is curled up. So we have our tongue. The next thing that we're going to glue is we're going to glue the frog's legs. So the frog has 4 legs. So we're going to glue those on. And as you can see, there's 2 legs on each side of the tongue. So we're going to put some glue on the edge of one leg, and then we're going to put some glue on the edge of the other leg. Okay, so we're going to glue this leg, of course, on the bottom next to the tongue. So the tongue, like that. And the next one, the second one, we're going to glue it right next to it. Just like that. So we have 2 legs on one side, and we're going to do that with our other 2 legs. We're going to put some glue on the side on one, and then we're going to put glue on the other. And then we're going to put this one on the other side of the tongue. One there, and then this one is going to go right next to it, so that our frog has 4 legs, just like that. And then as you can see on my sample, I kind of just curl those around too a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of fold the edges just a little bit, so our legs are kind of standing up a little bit. Just kind of fold it and fold it a little bit like that, and then do the same with the last one. Just kind of fold it like that, so our legs are up. Okay, so what else does our frog need? Our frog needs eyes, right? So our frog can see. So we have some pieces left over for our eyes. So as you can see, we have our green pieces. I would say these are the eyes. And then we have our white circles, which are the pupils. So we are going to glue the eyes on top of the green part. Okay, so we're going to turn it around and put some glue on there. And we are going to glue our eye right there. And we're going to do the same with the other eye. Put some glue on the back. And glue our eye right there. So after we have glued our circles on top of the green parts, we need to draw in the black part of the eye, the pupil. So I'm going to turn it towards me, and I'm just going to draw a little half circle, just like that, and then I'm going to color it in, because that's going to be my frog's eye. Okay, so that is one eye, and I'm going to do that to the other eye too. Draw my half circle and color it in. Okay, so now I have my eyes all ready. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in, the eye in half a little bit, just like that. See? Like that. And I'm going to do that. My eye kind of fell because I have to glue it on the frog. So I'm just folding it just like that. And then I'm doing the same thing with the other one. I am just folding that part in, so that way I can glue my eyes to my frog, right? So now I'm going to put the glue on the part that we folded on the bottom, and I am going to glue my eye towards the back here. My eye, got got some glue on the back. We don't want that. So we have one eye. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my second eye. I'm going to put it on the part that I folded. And I'm going to glue my eye. And now my froggy has 2 eyes. Now our frog is all ready. So in order for you to use this as a puppet, you can stick your hand in the back. That's why I said not to put the glue inside, just around, so that way you have this part open. And you can take your hand and just stick it in the back and stick it in the back like this. And you have your little frog puppet. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. I hope that you had lots of fun making this frog puppet with me. Thanks for watching, boys and girls, and I will see all of you very soon. Bye-bye.